Tommy the School Bus. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled in the rolling hills, there was a magical school bus named Tommy. Tommy was no ordinary school bus. He could talk, fly, and even grant wishes to those who were kind to him. One sunny morning, as Tommy was waiting outside the school, a young girl named Lily approached him. "Hello, Tommy," she said with a smile. "I have a wish. I wish to fly high in the sky and see the world from above." Tommy's headlights twinkled with excitement. "Hop on board, Lily," he said. "I will take you on a magical journey." As Lily climbed onto Tommy's bright yellow seats, he revved his engine and soared into the sky. The town below grew smaller and smaller as they flew higher and higher. Lily gasped in awe at the breathtaking view. "Thank you, Tommy," she said, her eyes sparkling with wonder. "This is the most amazing experience of my life," Tommy chuckled softly. "I am glad I could make your wish come true, Lily. Remember, kindness is the key to unlocking the magic within." From that day on, Tommy became a beloved figure in the town, granting wishes to those who showed him kindness and respect. Children would line up outside the school every morning, eager to take a ride on the magical school bus. And so, Tommy the school bus continued to spread joy and wonder throughout the town, proving that even the most ordinary things can hold extraordinary magic within.